Hello, thank you for joining me. At African Professor One, Mohamed spokesperson, African Professor One, Kase Masamba, African Professor One platform. So subscribe, share, Bomadan subscribe, share, mommy. Na di ho dance here, say ha say no. It's freestyle, it's unscripted. We are we the coastal Ghana, ne sub-Saharan Africa, ne across the globe, the world. Nam kan ho asem. It is very, very authentic. It's real. Me been from me fabi shem ti sa said the city na me wia me edit me wia adam dia to sa na me pen no nti ma me platform African Professor unique no to one more time unscripted and a freestyle to talk about a range of issues even though some was central theme tine kuma me di mudin ma to me say the audacity to insult Asantehene, setting the record straight. Mami should be me say the audacity to insult Asantehene, setting the record straight. Now, the TM Makasansa bear 3 days or 4 days ago, me yeah, video be about Asantehene said normally, a lot of hatred. Nessa, friends, are team the DNA idea causing be against Asantehene fan is it based on hatred and jealousy, which is true, because we are so strong on quarter and me say a net topic me person me explaining the money we say me person ye tie ho ase say ade a de ntina ma Asantehene say as lately no na say over the past year or so obiya ma na ho so na ofa camera sinanim no didi Asantehene atem na odi Asantehene atem no asam bi ato Asantefo nyina say ye say odi ye say upese o pese unya o a utwa ne tifiri ho anti se Asantehene ama utwa ne tifiri ho a ne dua ne ade ni nyina e meaningless nti se Asantehene the head of the Ashanti nesi dinner tam dia ne se Asantefo nyina so ye nkwasiafo. That's what it is, because normally we tie nkofo nsem mkeka ye di Asantefo atem so Asantefo sebe ye nyi obi bon ye ni obi a ye bu obi a ye nyiyim ene ye nya yi se ke yim a kenya ne se kumase obehwe amafrani all kind of ethnic groups tribal group nyina ye no nyina we all live in harmony obia no obia ankontokwa enso so no omunya Asantefo omudi atam ba enam Asantefo ye ntokwasam ne ade no so one mapa some fine one some be ni a we don't hardly do we respond to any ayibia until I say said in Kofosi can was yes I need me can I say identity enough over the past year or two obia man who so no dear Asantefo atem and Asantefo I say and Asantehene I say ni dinatam ni ade e dey pa na Asantehene I sana person tia nti u betia Kofosi she say Nana Doma Hene ne Asantefo mienu na anya toko ahemfo mienu na anya omu tokwa no moko no ahemfo mienu bi anya omu tokwa nko because the ben mu Asantehene afa camera sinanim abeta social media so odidi ohene bi atem. Asantehene never does that. He never does that one. Yes ada Asantehene ko gina emfa camera sinanim social media said the nkora ne nkofo bebre no ogina ohene no ogina na o council maker abakosoma kire nkofo say ni me de ni say we your ohene they say be official obi kan history bi na achia. The only thing I be answer you position you occupy is so unique until no bet my press conference no one lay down or explain one by one why you think somebody is giving some kind of historical inaccuracies be and I say you finish it, that's it. That's how any real or any I can see that's what they do. But so you're here now beginning TV sooner and I say social media never be who demonize and I say who did do your uncle hinatama and dear and you're tough and not so you yen and Najima bedu and say and no kakraniana Nanajima bedu toss me say a hoka craniana mementias and me nanano. So because me won kofo bebre anase me fa say nuanom bebre yawa omo freedom area ho so ye nyina nipa baako I just say there's no way say me be man say me could didi doma hiratem no yeah Asantefo kra no ye hinifo no ye mfomu ni agro say me fa so hini ade ne say there's certain times be ho a say Asantehene bi kra Nana Asantehene bi kura me fan say or make choices bi wo nkonwasem bi wo bi kura maybe I disagree with him. And there's a way I make my expression, but I say I won't go to the extent of insulting him. So me didn't attempt to say this. No, there's a difference between say we disagree with somebody in a civil, in a polite, manner. So that's one thing. Now, who could didn't tell now? Or what for camera is when you say be out to America and out to Germany and out to London, no deal or he not tell me didn't tell me. That is not what it doesn't constitute freedom of expression. Freedom of expression, no, and where somebody knows started. So if you say freedom to express yourself, that doesn't mean say freedom, no. Bet me I do be atem. No be kind so I have a freedom to express myself. That's not what character assassination is. Anyone, it's not part of freedom of expression. So on the mention, and in your part of it, the point I'm making is that audacity to insult Asantehene any other. I just want, where does it come from? And then why? Why is all this Asantehene? Is it because Asantehene in the position, the unique position in Ghana? And what United Nations crew to me cocoa address it. I have never so far. You woman me who or he be a free Ghana. Yeah, you need to United Nations of all places and come speech your no. Oh, and I said Queen Elizabeth, and I said Princess invited no Ghana, send my mere winty bra, babuamana bramaye. No, it is sad when you ain't in a man, bring it that a British are jealous, and I said, that's what I want to know. And media, I dare me di who yakra, Miss Way freestyle, I talk about range of issue. I dare me di who yakra, Asantehene, we bloggers, self bloggers, and now vloggers now. No, so be the deal in a tama. Now we amplify no san abo san nipa kro no atem didie no e wo platform so there's a who can who be who so did you here na tell me because me there is no way say me TV station na say there's a who did or he be atama say Asantehene atama na me Asantehene na me say me san bo am obi atie bi me moda emo na kra me no who could did he be atama nya enkrani but who ko fa or he be asem so ba be did na tana mo TV. I'm not going to amplify. Me fan to me channels because of me betraying. But me into the end. I mean, sometimes Sikano money is not everything. So you see the empire child here, and to say somebody do nana be and that's what he can see be at them. No one yet train uncle for tear. Some say uncle for be or muda as a woman. So now he not dinner time as so. Papa penmu bit ma wu ana say here ye dinner te sanka papa na so na no nka bi dinner tem wo na so papa de on peso bia be dinner tem but obi papa de ye dinner tem is okay na nkofo bi de atototo mbro ko so ya Asantehene na wo sa YouTube channel bi ni ade ni ye di hina tem Asantehene tem now there wo de ato ayi so sa manfo nyina ntia what does it mean wo so kan obi wo so didi o hina tem bi and then me transgram and say why say me ko gina ba bi say ko di Togo afeda atam Gama chatam doma hina tam and me ko di o hina tam. There's a difference between say and may be akoso maybe me disagree with it maybe I may express myself near other in a civil way say this na akoso say this that's different but to say to go to the extent of insulting near other and if I so be any sunyasa some be any. But that is what is happening because what? Social media I have for Obi America da Roma, Oma criticize forum, say nipa yem nyina bia, yen socialize it economically, politically, culturally and everything. But I'm not for you should the drink of atom. So when you other day. And I'm sorry, it meet a try so be pity one tribe against another, and Asantehene you too know, and Asantehene any brisker, Asantehene cry school cry monte, omo school, omo brofo nye, omo ka R, omo say L, omo ka L, omo say R, and say me brave, and now omo te brofo, na mo te brofo no. Mo te brofo, mo say okay, munya Asantehene, ti mo de mo te brofo, mo ti mi kam brofo chiche ho, and the Ghana ye dey. Brofo no iti mo aduane di brofo no mo aduane di China for no ne Sweden no ne other developed countries na omo nka brofo no a omo develop no omo so how do you explain that muti Ghana and anko obi krom kasa na mo di ayam abom ho ani mo di abom ho asafo hene ne che se obi atumi ka brofo che ho no and it just oti brofo and so no made we Jimmy Seven class him say then I make can say na first of all crown could be from the asun kwan or if unima fuye Asantehene one of the few kings of Ashantia they can speak extemporaneously umu kasa brofo no on tronto on prepare bibia say Asante timinya dignitaries bi ni ade no gina ho omu nti Asante nti wo betina ho obi am prepare bibia on scripted no te ho na konya so no ka brofo wo kasa amonte enso kra odi dwana nim no Asante mfa dwana nim enso so muti wa na Asante fo nti brofo Asante fo ko school really na so munim di obi wo so munim di obi wo enti no sani mane mo nyina ena one Asantehene is also a type of nipa. That audacity to insult Asantehene, it doesn't base. I'm trying to set the record straight. Say Asantehene on fire camera be and any deal be atamuda. Any deal yonko hina atamuda. No, Asantehene doesn't. Entina sa successive presidents no baba Ghana omu ba. Your friend say Atamils, J. Kufo, your friend say J. Kufo Atamils no ne Mahama and Rollins no any akufado bia ba omu nyina akọ na ase omu ne consulting because and Asantehene so who said Asantehene were one of the few kings in Ghana expressing himself openly to any political party. He doesn't affiliate himself to any political party bia even though some people accuse him say nena na asa ne ofa and a TUP no it doesn't necessarily mean Asantehene is there for every party until Obia konwa they feel comfortable otu obia for pe unlike ada ahemfo no bia omutimi ka say menemi man nyina there's a whole bunch of the so-called traditional chiefs in Ghana bebre say presidential candidates and I say presidents be call mu omu region and also omu area omutimi ka say omu nkrofo nyina ye to amasa particularly Asantehene never does that. Asantehene who's Asantehene be na no aka say me support NDC and I say support nkrofo na speculate say we NDC we MPP we say Asantehene you will never see Asantehene otumfo na Asantehene say ogina ebabi ebie na no aka say me support me kotoama kumasifo nyina na Asantefo nyina entoma NDC and I say omutuma MPP and I say Asantehene never does that. That's what that's the hallmark of a real king. That's why Asantehene never does that. Most of the other kings, and I say chiefs in Ghana, the BI TV soon ni ade. Omu say presidential candidates bi ni ade ba. Omu bebre no omu say sycophants. Omu menem nkrofo nyina ye tamachi ye tuma na omu ye cheche omu 4x4 no ni ade. Asantehene wuntimi nko ka Asantehene say nana me ma ka ntino Kachira Asantefo nyina ase entuma Asante one thing about Ashantis no anything manfo bebre su jwa Asantefo no Ashantis mostly omu independent minded people. That is why British omu ba Africa omu ba Ghana they find it hard time. They struggle to try to colonize and dominate Ashantis. They are one of the only tribe in Ghana omu resist abrafo because omu so obia sanity omu so obia so enti sana ma yesi ma omama hoyi Asantefo jobia ana meka Asantefo jobia enti that audacity to insult Asantehene no it doesn't based on any concrete historical fact except it's based on hatred, it's based on jealousy, it's based on the sheer ignorance of history because a lot of people don't understand. Let me just set it straight. A lot of people really don't understand the history of Ashantis and even Ghana as a whole and the origin of the Ashanti kingdom and tikofobitiona territory they say Asantehene head of the territory into one head of the country. There's a country who can be a territory. Ghana is a territory. It's a territory. That's what it is. And the territory can be a country. And you can say Ashanti nation. Nation is different from a country. If you don't know, nation constitute, a group of people, but they share common descent, maybe in terms of language, in terms of, cultural heritage, and what can I say, nation. Nation doesn't necessarily mean, a political entity, and I say a political I banned by, say, a political, it has boundaries near the other to say, be a Ghana, Togo, Nigeria, no, and we a country, and that's a nation state. There's a difference between nation and nation state. Nation state is the same as a country, but when we say nation, we can have Ghana nation, we can have Doma nation, we can have Sefi nation, and wherever. So, in the Ashanti kingdom, no, is Ashanti nation, and I say Ashanti is a kingdom, and I can say those people who are familiar with, say Ghana history, and that's Ashanti history, say the Ashanti Empire, and that's Ashanti nation, is stretching all the way back to, like I said, all the way to Cote d'Ivoire and some part of, your friends say, Burkina Faso, and that's some part of it. To sit here and try to, insult Asantehene for based on ignorance near the adeno. Now, we can some fast Asantehene say, you say, Asantehene you be a bibi, Asantehene every respect you be a only do be at them. And and Asantehene no he be a coin. Asantehene doma he be a coin. Doma he ne gina, I want no so set record straight. But the ben almost Asantehene cry formally no. Former Asantehene cry respond. Yeah, one day he's minding his own business. And the history and the facts are there. We are all entitled to our opinion, but none of us are entitled to fact. The fact is there. You cannot dispute it. And it will be himself Asantehene, and as Ashanti is one of the greatest kingdom in Africa. And Asantehene is a great king. It's one of the famous king in Africa. When see who Google, we just go and Google, and I say Google, so Sani come see, Google, you see all those great kings in Ashanti, famous kings in Africa. Sundiata, Mansa Musa, Malinki the second, if it's Egyptian kings, no other thing, Osetu Nana Osetu to the first. They mention his name, he's part of it. And so what you now back cancer, some near the idea, it doesn't mean anything. Think of my person name dinner. One more time, Africa Professor One. One spokesperson, Africa Professor, me see the audacity to insult Asantehene, setting the record straight. Mesan Makasebi, have a great day. Bye.